Hey guys! Today, I'm super excited to show you this amazing LED lighted bathroom mirror cabinet I just received. It's modern, sleek, and surprisingly easy to install. Plus, it's extremely spacious. Let's start with the control panel. As a sneak peek, this mirror not only has dimmable LED lights, but it also shows you the time and the temperature right on the surface. Inside the box, you get everything you need for a quick and simple installation. No complicated tools required. Most of the mirror comes pre-assembled, which saves a lot of time. Even though it's spacious and durable, the mirror isn't too heavy, which makes mounting it so much easier. Yes, you'll need a little wiring setup, but that's what powers all the cool features. Dimmable front lights, interior lighting, and even a built-in plug inside the cabinet. Perfect for charging your shaver or toothbrush. On each side, you'll notice clean plate covers that give it a polished look. Plus, you get two adjustable glass shelves to organize everything from vitamins and skincare to daily essentials. The installation is simple. Just slide, clamp, and tighten. The design even includes mirrors on both the inside and outside, so you get full visibility while using it. Another great detail? The soft close doors. No more slamming or worrying about cracks. Smooth and quiet every single time. Once installed, this mirror truly transforms your bathroom. Spacious, modern, and functional, with dimmable color-changing lights, time, and temperature display. We've gotten so many compliments already, and honestly, it feels like the centerpiece of the room. If you're looking for the perfect upgrade for your bathroom, this LED lighted mirror cabinet is a game changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.